artistic family, welcome back to Shanna Gibson Art and Designs. And for those of you who are new, thank you so much for stopping by. I've got a couple things going on here, guys. This is part 1 to my Simple Elegance Black and White series. I have an 8 by 20 inch canvas back stapled, and I just lightly, as you guys can see, went over with the foam brush really quickly and prepped the canvas with black because my base is really thin. And so when I use a white canvas and I'm putting black on the base, you really don't want any bleed through. You don't want to see any white coming up. And so, and also you want to make sure your edges and your corners are really covered, which is always the hardest. So I just went over there with the black so I don't have to worry about that. I don't want to say straight stream because, you know, as long as your paints are thin enough, they are going to stream off. But it's like a thin stream. There's no mound. The paint just goes right into the cup, very thin. And then here I'm using my broquette skewers. Again, these are excellent for stirring your paints once they're mixed and going in and doing little swipes, or you can use the end there to go make little details, twirls, swirls, whatever you want. So I have Acrylic Flow Black here. And I also have gorgeous white pearl. I had to use a metallic, guys. I've only got 2 colors, so I was like, I can't just use a basic white. I've got to use this gorgeous white pearl that I love for some extra added sparkle and shimmer, of course, and some interest. So what my plan is, you guys know me, I change sometimes mid-pour, is I haven't done a dustpan pour in a while, and I love doing it. Again, you guys know I'm addicted to watching paint come off the canvas, to tilting, anything like that. I absolutely love it. That's why I don't spin or do any of that. For me, it takes away from the whole aspect of it, and I just absolutely love watching the paint flow. So I am going to put the white pearl and the black on this little dustpan. I've covered up my hole with some tape because the last time I did it, it ran through. I will link that pour for you. I believe it was called Fracture. I also have one of my favorite plastic Artist Loft palette knives, and I'm probably going to go in and not do a full swipe, but just swipe in a few areas. Again, black and white's gorgeous classic colors on their own, but I want to add a lot more and enhance my pours going forward. So that's what the plan is. That's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Just going to start here, guys, and do like a half zigzag, and then I'll stretch the rest out. Just bring this over a bit, make sure we're starting to get some flow here. And I like doing this like that to get those jagged kind of edges. Just add some more interest. Just going to give this a quick torch. The cell's coming through already. Again, some paints are more cell reactive. I do notice that the white pearl is, and it is a metallic, and my base was pretty thin. So your consistency more than anything, guys, is what makes the difference. So you can certainly get cells without using silicone or Floetrol. Absolutely. Okay, let's move this forth here. Come up here really quickly. Love that. This side and back. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. And this is why I was craving to do this, guys, because I also wanted to show you guys that black and white pours can be absolutely stunning. I say this all the time, and yes, using lots of color is gorgeous, but you absolutely don't have to use a lot of color. And especially when you're using black and white, because you get gray, of course, silver depending. There guys, those cute little cells I got going on there. That is just beautiful, like that. Absolutely stunning. Simple elegance. That's really it, guys. I think that I'm just gonna do. I think I'm just gonna do a small one here. Okay. Just to outline the section. Use the rest of this up. And again, these are great for that. They have a little divot in the inside of it, just a slight one. So they kind of act as a spoon per se. Get my palette knife in and